Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting devices talking. Make sure your My TV and phone share the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. On the TV, enable cast or wireless display in settings under device preferences. This activates the receiver. Once done, open the cast or screen mirroring option on your phone and scan for the TV. You'll see the TV name. Tap it to initiate the handshake. Be ready to accept any pairing prompt on the TV so the stream can begin. This prevents connection timeouts. After you tap the My TV on your phone, wait for a stable link to establish. A brief loading delay is normal. Once connected, make sure orientation and resolution match the content. Switch to landscape for 16:9 video. If your phone offers quality options, choose higher bitrate for crisper images, but mind bandwidth. Close background apps and disable battery saver so the phone won't throttle the stream. If audio lags, check TV volume and phone media volume. Adjust both to synchronize sound and picture. To finish your screencast cleanly, stop casting from the phone's cast menu or disable the TV receiver. This prevents ghost sessions. If things go wrong, no discovery or frequent drops, reboot router first, then phone, then My TV. This clears network leases and resets wireless channels. For persistent lag, lower the resolution or move devices closer to the router, or switch to the 5 GHz band to reduce interference. And if audio is out of sync, disconnect and reconnect once. That often realigns streams.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.